I have a special video for you today, ladies and gentlemen. We are viewing the ignorant, hard-headed Negro in its natural habitat, better known as the ghetto. Now, we've sent rescue missions. We've sent helicopters, planes, boats, evacuation teams to try to help a lot of these hard-headed young Negroes, but a lot of them are hard-headed, and they will not find out until later on in life that they were stupid. Even though the great Donald Trumposaurus and Elon Muskadon are roaming the Great Plains, destroying portfolios hand over fist, they will still think they know everything. But don't fret, we have a success story at the end of the video. Let's get into the video.
And in today's video, man, the market did exactly what we expected it to do. Whole lot of opposite. That's why we did not buy them calls yesterday. Like we were saying, like, I don't know if I want to buy no Palantir calls because they had that 7% update. We tried to give it a little shot with the little grab. I mean, not the grab call. We tried to give it a little.
He's already shown you. Early in the video, he has no clue of what the hell he's talking about. Look at the despair in his voice. Look at the despair in his face. That's a look of desperation. Let's take a look at this little portfolio. He has a market value of $11,451 as an adult. That's not a lot of money. That's not a lot of money, especially when your portfolio is losing money hand over fist. At one time, this ignorant Negro was up to about $20,000. And now he's down to $14,000. Now, we don't know if this ignorant Negro has a pension, a 401k. We don't know if he has a high-paying job. We don't know nothing about him. He just gets up here talking about stupid-ass stocks that are getting trashed and trashed because when the market sees trash, it will trash your portfolio. Now, the S&P 500 is not down as much as his portfolio. We try to tell people world market, S&P 500, total stock market. After you set the backbone of your portfolios, you go to work and you don't worry about what happens with the day-to-day or who's president. You go to work, you save money, you keep your debts low, you live frugal, you build a long-term outlook for yourself and your family. You build great dividend stocks with a wonderful track record of paying dividends. Don't forget, at the end of the video, we're going to show you a success story of rental properties and dividend stocks and freedom. Negroes like this will stay stuck in their situation because of a lack of financial literacy. Let's let him continue.
Shot with that sound hound call to test the waters. Ooh, waters was tested. Did not work. So what do we do today? Stock market went back down. We got hit up. We did a little bit of day trading puts, man. I got busy. I had to leave. I should have held my puts. Market kept tanking. But we bought, a little bit of Palantir, a little bit of Tesla. And I'm going to show you all the positions and what I'm thinking I'm going to do for that next move. All right? So as far as the Palantir position.
For that next move. This stupid Negro does not understand that Wall Street is already 9 million steps in front of you. Your stupid ass information from the news and your portfolio means absolutely nothing in these markets. And your financial situation and your future will determine that you have no clue of what the hell you were doing. You see, time and time again, Negroes like him and people around the world think they are smarter than Mr. Market. And then they grow up and they're broke, 50, 60 years old with a lack of finances. They did not build job-sponsored 401ks. They do not have pensions. They don't have long-term investments. They do not have cash flow. They don't own homes. They don't own real estate. They own nothing. And then they want to blame somebody, anybody, when people try to rescue them. Let's let him continue.
Like I said, we didn't change none of the calls today. We only got like this one leap, this March 2026.
Why did this Negro always burp?
If I do add the Palantir as far as cars, I'm probably gonna have to stick to leaps at least until like we get some momentum, like 2-3 updates. They really hold, really show that they coming from that bottom, like Drake say. But until then,
Yeah, and Drake got bodied by Kendrick.
we're gonna have to stick with like trading in and out and the longer term call options and shares, at least until this bounce ends. So, we up to 95.1 shares of Palantir, trying to go and get 100, trying to get past 100 strictly from trading it, man. So that's great. Our one QQQ put, QQ went down, but not enough. So QQQ put still in the dirt, which
All this bullshit means absolutely nothing. Calls and puts and leaps. Investors are sitting back, eating popcorn in the shade with their feet up, relaxing, enjoying the beautiful dollar cost averaging of the markets going down. And over time, if they stick with it, they will get the growth of their dividend stocks, the dividends being reinvested, going to work. And when markets go down, having a cash surplus to what they say, buy the dip of their great index funds and dividend stocks. But Negroes like this will die. Like time and time again, broke other Negroes have died because some of us Negroes have figured it out. Let me show you a success story of a Negro who has finished the game of life. He made it out. His parents did not have a lot of money. They did not know about investing, but they got him out of poverty. He took the baton and he ran with the baton. He ran with it. Baton, who knows? Even he's still stupid. But he didn't graduate high school either. He's a dumbass. But he made it out just by educating himself about finances. You don't gotta be the smartest guy in the world. You just have to have common sense and the willingness to learn. Let me show you a Negro who has made it out of poverty.
Pretty dope, right? During the busy time, you want to rent your place out. Get that big money. During the slow time, you have the beach to yourself. Okay? We're actually coming back 3 more times this year because we want to start living our lives more. It pretty much paid for itself already. We put huge down payments. In 2 years, the property will be done, and you can use your passive income, your investments, your dividend portfolio stuff. You can use that money to pay off your food and your other traveling. Look, we're already on the beach. Look, feet